Hello, welcome to this lesson where we are now going to look at polygons. Okay, so polygons, we are going to have four lessons in total. So this is our first lesson where I just want to introduce you to polygons as you prepare yourselves for grade 9 exams ECZ. Okay, so it's very important to build on, and especially when you are coming from angles. We have just finished looking at angles. So let's begin by defining what a polygon is. A polygon is any plane figure with a straight line. Okay? It's any plane figure with a straight line. In some books, they'll say it's a figure enclosed with straight lines. That's what a polygon is. For example, a polygon with three sides is called a triangle. A polygon with three sides is called a triangle. Okay, so now we've got two types of polygons. We have regular polygons and the irregular polygons. Regular polygons and irregular polygons. So let's start with the regular polygons. What is a regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon which has all angles equal. That is equiangular, and all the sides are what? Are equal. Okay? For instance, if you remember when we were talking about an equilateral triangle from the other topic we are coming from, we said an equilateral triangle. What did we say about an equilateral triangle? We gave an example that this is a triangle like this, meaning all these three sides are equal. And if these three sides are equal, it means also the angles here are what? All the three angles are what? Are equal. So this is what we mean by a regular what? Polygon. You can also have a polygon like a square here. All the four sides are equal, and it also means that even the four sides, the four interior angles are what? Are equal. These are what we call regular polygons. A polygon which has the sides, all the sides are equal, and also all the angles are equal. Okay, so let me give you a list of irregular polygons, the regular polygons, and I want you to draw them, to draw the table exactly as it is. Okay, I want you to draw the table exactly as it is. All right, so this, okay, you draw this. This is what I was talking about. So now here these are the diagrams here. Then the number of sides 3. What is the name? The name of a three-sided polygon is a triangle. The name of a four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. What do we call a five-sided polygon? A pentagon. Six-sided polygon is a hexagon. 7 heptagon. You are also going to find there are times when there's also septagon here. Okay. Then for 8, it's an octagon. 9, it's a nonagon. 10, it's a decagon. You need to make sure that you draw these things, these diagrams accurately. Make sure that, as you can see here, that all the sides are equal. Okay? That is what you must also do when you are drawing this. You try, it will not be easy for these ones here, but try as much as you can. Where you are going to show like the sides are equal, even the angles are equal, just like you've seen here. These are regular polygons. These are regular polygons. Give yourself here, draw these ones here, and you must be able to know now. What do we call a five-sided polygon? It's a pentagon. Four-sided, quadrilateral, hexagon, septagon or hexagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay? Draw these ones nicely here. Draw them nicely. Okay? draw them nicely. Okay, draw them nicely. So these are regular polygons. So let me take you to, please make sure you know the names. Draw the table just like this. Let me take you to the irregular polygons. Okay, so let's come to irregular polygons. An irregular polygon is a polygon which does not have all the sides equal and the angles equal. Okay, this one, it's the opposite of what we talked about. It's the opposite of what we talked about. Okay, it is the opposite of what we talked about. So for instance, if you remember where we're coming from, we talked about the types of triangles, isn't it? We talked about the types of, so these are the types of the triangles. Now, if you look at these four types of triangles here, this one is an equilateral triangle. So this one is a regular polygon. This one, the equilateral, is a regular polygon because the three sides are equal and these angles are also equal. Then all these remaining ones, these are irregular polygons. Okay, these are irregular polygons. Take note of that. I think we discussed about these angles here. We discussed about these triangles. I mean, this is an isosceles triangle. I mean, if you haven't checked my lessons on angles, please, you're going to benefit. Go to the angles. Okay, so this is like on the triangle part. Okay, I'm going to tell you what you are supposed to maybe to draw. Okay, not these ones. I'm just trying to explain here. Okay, you can use this book if you have it. That's one of the books that I'm using. Okay, so this is what I want us to draw now. Name irregular polygon. So this is an isosceles triangle, a scaling triangle. If you want, you can also add a right-angled triangle here so that there are three. Then we can come to the quadrilaterals. We say the quadrilateral is a four-sided what? Polygon. Now, we are looking at those that are irregular. We are looking at those that are irregular. If I can take you back to the whole list, here is the list of quadrilaterals. We have a square, a rectangle. These are special quadrilaterals that you are supposed to know. You need even to know these. You need to know. Now, for the square, it is a regular polygon because all the angles, I think I talked about it. All these angles are equal. Each one of them is 90, 90, 90. Then also the four sides are equal. Now, for a rectangle, these two sides are equal. These are also equal. So the sides are different. It's not. And I also want you to pay particular attention to this. This is called a parallelogram. This is called a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? Two pairs of angles and parallel. Two pairs of equal and parallel sides. So this side is equal to this one. This side is equal to that one. You need to know the properties of a parallelogram. You need to know the properties of a parallelogram. So, under the irregular polygons, which are quadrilaterals, I want you to put, not the first one. The first one is regular. Now, I want you to put these ones. A rectangle, a parallelogram, a rhombus, and a trapezium. These are irregular quadrilaterals. These are irregular quadrilaterals. You need to read the properties here. You need to read the properties here. This is going to guide you. For instance, a parallelogram, you need to know that this angle is equal to that one. This angle is equal to this one. The size here, this side, the distance from here is equal to this one. Also this one, because you need to read these properties and know them. Very important even for other topics like construction and others, even trigonometry, something. Okay, basically you need the knowledge here to know. When they tell you this is a parallelogram, what are the properties of a parallelogram? You need to know that. So this is what I want you to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and particular read these. You need to know this is a rhombus. What are the properties of a rhombus? If anything, there's also a kite this side. Okay, there is also a kite here. Okay, this is a kite. What are the properties of a kite? You need to know. What does this mean? These angles here, this angle is equal to that one. These angles here, this angle is equal to this one. These are 90 degrees angles here. The distance from here to this is equal to this one. This is very important for you to know. Very, very important for you to know. Okay? Very, very important for you to know. I emphasize, especially a parallelogram, you need the properties here. Even a trapezium. Okay? You need, so these things that I've discussed here is what you need to write here. Okay? A rhombus is already here. Rectangle is already here. A parallelogram is already here. Maybe you can only add a trapezium as well as a kite. Okay? You can't finish the entire list. On the pentagon, we have this one. As you can see, this is irregular. The sides are not the same. Even the angles are different. Even this one. Hexagon, the sides are 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But look at the shape. Okay? We are talking about the irregular or something that is also an octagon. We are looking at irregular polygons here. So also copy this one here. Copy this one here. Okay? Copy this one here. Copy this one here. Okay? Just copy these ones here. Okay? Now let's look at the two, in terms of the size of the interior angles, let's look at the types of the polygons. I thought also that maybe you may just need this for your information, just for your information. You can write convex polygon. What is a convex polygon? A polygon which has no interior angle greater than 180 degrees is called convex polygon. Just an example of these ones. When you look at all these interior angles here, they are less than 180 degrees. What about the opposite? Like this one here. So you copy this. Okay? You copy this and this one. This is the last part that I want you to copy in this lesson. Okay? The Re-Entrant Polygon. The Re-Entrant Polygon. A polygon which has at least one interior angle greater than 180 degrees is called a Re-Entrant Polygon. Okay? These are what I want you to know. That's all. In the next lesson, we'll be looking at the sum of the interior angles of a polygon as well as the sum of the exterior angle of a polygon. We'll look at that in the next lesson. Okay? This has been Mbondo Bright Chaumba, a teacher of mathematics at Nyumbayanga Secondary School, Lusaka, Zambia. Goodbye and thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time.